Linguistic and political science. What is linguistic? Linguistic is the scientific study of language and its student including the sound, phonetics and phonology words, morphology, sentence, structure and meanings and semantic, and also explore how language evolves over time, how they are used, communication, and how they are acquired by individual. Linguistic. Linguistic is from the Latin word lingua, which means tongue, our language, and the suffix "sthetic", which means indicates a field study or discipline. Branches: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatics, pragmatics, historical linguistic, pseudo-linguistic, socially linguistic, computational linguistic. Phonetics, the study of space sound and their physiological production and acoustic qualities. It's deal with the configuration of the vocal tract used to produce speech sound, articulatory, phonetics, and acoustic properties of speech sound, acoustic phonetics, and the manner of the combining sound so as to make stable syllables, words, and sentence. Linguistic phonetics. Phonology. Phonology is study of the way sound function in language, including phones, syllable, structure, stress, accent, in, intonation, and which sound is distinctive unit within a language. In linguistic, morphology is the study of the words, how they are formed, and their relationship to other words in same language. It analyzes the structure of words such that stem root words, prefix, and suffix. Phronology also looks apart speech intonation, the stress and example. If you take morphome, rookie, and add the suffix as you create a new word, cookie, and plural from the slightly different meaning that the singular from. Syntax is the agreement of word in the sentence, clauses, and phrases, and the study relationship of their component parts. Pragmatics refer to a branch linguistic to study the way in which contents influence the interpretation of language, and its goes behind the study of grammatical structure and focuses on how language is used in real life citation to convey meaning. Pragmatic consider factors such as the speaker assumption, and the social content in which communication takes place. Symptomatic, the study of relationship between sign and symbol and what they represent. Historical linguistic look the similar between language that show a common origin of attempt to arrange related language in family stress, and also they apply to behaviors pattern of the how sounds change language. To their analysis of the oldest no variation or related language in order reconstruct their last share proto language ancestor. Physiological linguistic, the discipline that inve- investigate invest, investigates and describe the physiological process that make possible of humans to master and use language. Com- compo- computational linguistic. It is language analysis and use computers computational analysis and obtain applied to the handling of basic language data, e.g. making corcod, corcoders, the counting frequency of sound word element. All through humorous other types linguistic analysis can be performed by computers. Political science. Father of political science. Aristotle regarded the father of political science. He was Greek philosopher. He was the first one to give a work definition of political science, the origin from the Greek word politikos, which means of or relating citizen upward political, which refer to upper of the city's state of the government, the study of politics and government. And ancient Greece, particularly in the Athena, played a significant role in the development of political science as a academic discipline. Types of political science. Comparative politics. Comparative politics is the comparative study of the other countries' citizen different politics units there its whole or in part the analyze the similar and different between those political unit. Comparative politics also entails the politics study of the US politics through international relation. International relation is a study the interaction, the relationship among states as well as with international organization and certain subnation entities like political practice and insert group. It the closer related to politics science involved understanding in the working of the politics of global level. Political theory. Politics theory, the branch of politics science, and consider with the study and interpretation of the concept and ideas that have historical shape of politics. It's involved the analysis and understanding of political ideas, ideology, policy, and behavior as well as the structure and process of political system. Political theory that approach the different practices including but not limited to a classical political theory, modern political theory, and contemporary political theory. Each the approaches the different ways of look politics and power and governance. American government and politics. American government and politics and based on the U.S. Constitution, which serve as the fundamental law of the land. U.S. government is a characteristic by the system of check and balance divided among three branches. American government and politics. American government and politics. American politics of other hand and obtain characteristic by two-party system with the Democratic Party and the Republic Party being dominant practice. They practice have different ideological platform and view on key issues which often led intense political debates in election. Political method, methodology. Political methodology is the subfield of political science that study the quantitative and qualitative method used to study political analysis, mathematics, and form theory in understanding and explain political phenomena. Public law. Thank you.